What's up? It's Tim with Adrenaline HQ answering your top Mercedes Sprinter questions. Today, checking the oil level on your Mercedes Sprinter. This is going to be applicable for everything 2019 and newer. The dash might look a little different on some of your different models, whether you have a highline or low-line dash or the new facelifted version, but the method is the same. With the van running, you're going to want to hit the back arrow and pull up your main menu on the dash. From there, scroll all the way to the left until you get to service. Select service and then scroll down until you get to engine oil level. Select that. This is going to tell you either drive until the engine is warm, or it's going to give you an oil level reading if your engine is warm enough. Keep in mind that the engine oil level on your dash is an average and is based on several different factors, including temperature. If you add engine oil under the hood, it will not always instantaneously read on the dash. So please don't add more oil thinking that you don't have enough in. The dash will tell you when you need to add 1 quart of oil. If you're at the low level on your oil gauge, the fill amount from the lowest to the top is 1 quart. So don't add more than 1 quart. At times you're gonna need to drive sometimes 30 plus minutes before you're up to temp and you're getting an accurate reading. It's very important to not overfill, because if you do, you're going to have to go to a shop and either have it sucked out of the dipstick tube or have it drained out of the crankcase. If you have an older model Sprinter with an OM 642 6-cylinder diesel engine, you can add a manual dipstick. They come with a dipstick tube from the factory with no dipstick in them. We can sell you a dipstick, and then you have 2 ways of checking your oil, either through the dash or with an actual dipstick under the hood. On the newer 4-cylinder diesels, they do not have a dipstick tube, so you have to rely on the dash. Keep in mind, it is not instantaneous, and it's very important to not overfill your oil. That's going to cause problems and will result in a trip to the shop. I hope this answered the question of how to check the engine oil in your Sprinter. If you have any other questions regarding your oil level or maintenance on your Sprinter, give us a call and we'd be happy to help.